People are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Hosea chapter 4 verse 6.
What's going on? It's Sharrell the Forex King, and we're back with another video. Every single day I see traders lose money. So today I'm going to give you why 95% of traders fail. So without further ado, let's get to it. Number one, no risk management. So they don't use proper risk management. I always say this, 1 to 3% per trade. I can't stress this enough. I see traders every day over not using the proper risk management, using big lot sizes and blowing their account big time. That's very important that you use the proper risk management, proper lot size, because if you don't use the proper lot size, you will blow your account, and then you're going to get all emotional. I see it all the time. I talk to different traders and they say the same thing, that they over leverage. I strongly suggest that you use a risk calculator. So what a risk calculator is say for instance, you put in the balance, it gives you the lot size that you're supposed to be using. It's very important. I have a risk calculator. When I go on my computer, I have an Excel sheet where you can put in that balance, and then it'll give you, say you want to risk only 1 to 3%. Say you put in 1%, it will give you that lot size. And I give this to my students as well in the MPM Academy. Again, I give this to my students in the MPM Academy. This is very important that you have a risk calculator to use proper risk management. Number 2, overtrading. This is very important. Do not overtrade. So say for instance, say you had a profit target of $500 or $1,000. You reach that profit target, but you see some other good setups and good trades that you can potentially take. So you take those trades and you keep on overtrading when you should have stopped when you made that profit target that you made for the day. That's overtrading. Overtrading, you don't want to give the market makers your money back. You don't want to give the market makers the money that you made from the markets back. That's very important. As I said already, I strongly suggest that you hit that profit target and don't continue trading. Overtrading will blow your accounts, and then you won't have any money to trade with because you blew your accounts. It's always very important not to overtrade. So hit that profit target and call it a day. That's very important. I see this all the time. People overtrade and keep on overtrading. They get bored, so they keep on overtrading and keep on looking at the charts. Once you hit that profit target, you stop trading and get away from the charts. This is very important. Get away from the charts. Stop trading. Close that laptop. Turn off that computer. Number 3, revenge trading. Emotions. This is very important. So you keep on taking loss after loss, loss after loss. This happens to traders a lot. You keep on taking loss after loss, so you revenge trade and say, I'm going to get my money back. I gotta get my money back. So you keep on trading, and then take more losses, and it creates more losses, and then you blow your account, and then boom, no account with money in it because you kept on trading, kept on revenge trading because you took loss after loss. And then you get emotional. Then you start throwing things around and just very emotional, upset because you kept on revenge trading. This is not good. I strongly suggest that if you take losses, call it a day. I go by a rule. 3 losses, you take 3 losses, call it a day. It's just like 1, 2, 3 strikes, and you're out. So 3 losses, call it a day. And I teach this to my students as well. I strongly suggest not revenge trading because I see this all the time. Traders revenge trade and they keep on taking loss after loss. They blow their accounts. They get upset, having a fit, throwing stuff, and just very, very highly upset and stressed out because they revenge trade and took their loss and kept on taking loss after loss. Highly suggest not to do that. Number 4, strategy hopping. This is very important. I have done this as well as a beginner. Hopping from this strategy, you think this strategy don't work, so you hop to the next strategy, and that strategy, you think that strategy don't work, and then you hop to the next strategy, and then you hop to the next strategy. Keep on hopping to strategies. That's not good. Stick to one strategy. One strategy. That's all you need. One strategy. You need to master that one strategy. If you're going to go to another strategy, you need to master the first strategy. So that's the thing that I learned. I learned how to master one strategy, and then you can move on to the next strategy. Of course, I was just like you, hopping from this strategy to this strategy, and you need to find a strategy that works. So you learn that strategy, you master it, and then you can move on to the next strategy and you can master that. So you can have you can have like 3 strategies in your portfolio. That way, if, say for instance, one strategy you don't see on there, you can go to the next strategy, and then you don't see that strategy, you go to the next strategy. You can have at least 3 strategies, I suggest, if you're going to hop to strategy to strategy. 3 strategies. Don't have 10, 20, 30 strategies. No. So, if I should strongly suggest not to hop strategy to strategy. It would be best to just have to master one strategy. But if you're going to do that, if you're going to go to the next strategy, master the first strategy first. So I highly suggest don't hop to strategy. Master the strategy first. Number 5, no mentor, no accountability. I see this all the time. People don't want to get mentors. They don't want to be held accountable. So they'll do their own thing. They'll look on YouTube. They'll do their own thing and get chopped up. And what I mean chopped up is they'll take loss after loss, blow their accounts, all because they didn't want to get a mentor. They didn't want to be held accountable. They keep on losing, taking loss after loss, blow their accounts. A mentor is there to cut your learning curve in half. That's very important. A mentor is there to cut your learning curve in half. So if you don't have a mentor, your learning curve won't be cut in half because that mentor has experienced it all. So what you're going through right now, that mentor experienced it all. So they have the expertise to tell you, hey, do this. Hey, do this. Hey, I don't. This is not right. You need to do this. X, Y, and Z. So the mentor has the experience, and they can show you. That way you don't make the same mistakes. They cut your learning curve in half. I myself am a mentor. I mentor others. I cut their learning curve in half. I have students that are capitalizing. I have students that are passing prop firms and they're getting payouts. So a mentor is there to help you cut your learning curve in half. I strongly suggest that you get a mentor. So those are the 5 reasons why 95% of traders fail. If this video helped you, comment discipline. If you want to learn more, you can go to the link in the description below. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio. Again, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you on the next one. This is Charrell, the Forex King. Let's go!
Hey. Faith under construction, I'm still being built. Tryna walk with God, but I still feel guilt. Can't sit on the fence, gotta choose my side. Devil want the middle, but I'm done with that life. Faith under construction, yeah, I'm work in progress. Falling, then I get back up, that's how God process. I ain't where I should be, but I ain't who I was. God's still working on me, and that's enough. Yeah. Read my Bible every day, still feel off. Still get mad, still get lost. Still got thoughts I don't wanna say. Still fighting battles every single day. Try to walk straight, but I lean sometimes. Talk faith strong, but my flesh still loud. 1 foot in, 1 foot out that line. But I'm learning you can't live both sides. Faith under construction, I'm still being built. Trying to walk with God, but I still feel guilt. Can't sit on the fence, gotta choose my side. But lukewarm living just drift you away. God want all, not a piece of me. Not Sunday faith in the streets of me. So I'm choosing now, yeah, I'm done with that. I ain't riding the fence, I ain't going back. This ain't perfect, this commitment. This ain't finished, this decision. Yeah, faith under construction.